Oh crud, my computer broke again. Uh, crap balls. What's going on? I can't reset. Ugh.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, Knox County, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Glenmont to near Fredericktown, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour.
Look at the stupid necklace on my neck. Okay.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Fredericktown, Gambier, Danville, Kilmuck, Glenmont, Waterford, Martinsburg, Gann, North Liberty, and Bladensburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Holmes and Knox. The urgent weather message.